أنت نور الله فجرا جد بعد العسر يسرا ربنا.
Such a nice day. I'm enjoying my life.
Hey, man!
Oh, hi, Mr. Ghost. Long time no see.
I'm Mr. Ghost. I'm Black Ghost. I'm very cool. I'm beautiful.
Okay, Mr. Ghost. You came after a long time.
I know.
I haven't seen your face in weeks. I thought you forgot about me.
I quite did, but I remembered I still need new stuff.
I am offended. I am very much offended. Okay,
you
Mr.
probably
Ghost.
know why I'm here.
Your house still looks empty.
Yeah.
It's a new house. It's supposed to look empty. So, Mr. Ghost, did you went to a vacation in the past? Did you were in a vacation in the past few weeks?
Yes, I went to Ghost Island.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, that's a very good place. Now, for your task, what do you want me to make?
Before that, I know you love paint. I'm pretty sure you do.
Yes, Mr. Ghost, I do.
Okay.
Oh my God! More new paints, Mr. Ghost.
Yeah.
Pink.
But this time, they're gonna be used for the task.
So I have to use them for the task?
Yes.
That's new. That's new. Okay, Mr. Ghost.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Ghost. Okay, Mr. Ghost, so what should I make for your task?
I believe a Mosque.
Do you want me to make the Masjid an-Nabawi?
Sure.
Do you know about it?
Yes, I know quite a lot, but who doesn't?
Okay, Mr. Ghost, can you tell me a little bit about it? Mr. Ghost, do you know where it is located at?
Yes, I do.
Where, Mr. Ghost?
It is located in Medina, the second most important mosque.
Okay, Mr. Ghost. Do you know who built it?
Yes. Islamic Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Yes, our Prophet built it. No, the other name of this mosque?
Yes, it is Masjid al-Haram.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, you know quite a lot.
Of course I do. I'm smart and cool, and I'm Mr. Ghost.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, then goodbye for now. I shall start on your painting. Mr. Ghost went out again like he always does. He's stupid. So stupid.
What?
Oh, Mr. Ghost, you're very cool. Very, very cool.
I know. Bye.
Okay, bye. I shall start on the painting. Let's start.
العسر يسرا ربنا. أنت نور الله فجرا جد بعد العسر يسرا ربنا ألاق قدرا يا إمام الأنبياء أنت في الوجدان حي أنت للعينين دي أنت عند الحوت ري أنت هادى وصفي يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك. يبسط دربي يا شفيعي يا رسول الله أيها المختار فينا زادنا حب هنينا جدنا بالخير دينا يا ختام المرسلين يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك. أنت نور الله فجرا جد بعد العسر يسرا ربنا ألاق قدرا يا إمام الأنبياء أنت في الوجدان حي أنت للعينين دي أنت عند الحوض ري أنت هذا وصفي يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك.
I am finally done. This is one of my most favorite drawings. I want to go there. Ask Mr. Ghost to take me there.
Hey! We're talking about
Hey,
me.
Mr. Ghost.
I'm Mr. Ghost. I'm back again to get the stuff that you made for me.
Oh, hi, Mr. Ghost.
Hey,
Oh, you look beautiful.
I know I look stunning.
No, you don't look beautiful. You look gorgeous today.
Yes, I know it.
Wait a minute, Mr. Ghost. You received my crown? I sent it you by parcel.
But I thought my family members sent me that.
Mr. Ghost, it had my name on
Oh,
it.
it had creative DWI. That's not your name.
I am offended. I am offended.
Anyways, where's the masjid?
Here is it, Mr. Ghost.
Can we go to that place? I want to walk.
Can you take me there?
I want to go sideways. I want to walk sideways.
Why does I even try? Mr. Ghost, can you take me there?
No, you don't have a passport and you're underage.
When I grow up, can you take me there?
If I'm alive. By the grace of Almighty Allah.
But Mr. Ghost, I thought ghosts don't die.
Everything ends after a while it has lived. That's the rule of our Creator, Almighty Allah.
Ooh, Mr. Ghost. Then, if you stay alive by the grace of our Creator, will you take me there?
Sure, maybe.
Offended. By the way, Mr. Ghost, you're so beautiful today.
Yes, I know. Every female should dress like me. I'm stylish, I'm cool, I'm Mr. Ghost, I'm gorgeous, I'm stunning.
I am pretty sure, Mr. Ghost, you're a girl.
Then why do you call me Mister?
I just like the sound of Mr. Ghost more
Well,
than
that's
Miss
your
Ghost.
problem. Well, that's your problem. You suffer with that, while I don't have anything to suffer with.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Ghost.
Okay, I'm gonna go home and now put it on a beautiful table or a showpiece place.
Okay, Mr. Ghost, I can tell you love it very much.
Of course, who doesn't? Now, bye!
Finally, that ghost left. It is annoying.
What?
I was saying you look beautiful, Mr. Ghost.
Okay, I know.
Okay, bye, Mr. Ghost.
bye.
Okay, bye-bye to all of you too. I love it.
يا حبيب سلام عليك